Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the same stitch and take this yarn in along with the working yarn. One front post double crochet in the same stitch. This is the chain 2 and this is a double crochet. That's total 2 stitches in the same stitch. Now repeat this. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. In total, you should have 24 stitches. Next on, chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now to make the bunny ears, chain 6. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and 1 single crochet each in the remaining stitches. And now make a slip stitch in the bottom stitch. This is a bottom stitch, and insert your hook in both the loops like this. And make a slip stitch. This is how to look. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. And now repeat the same for the next ear. Chain 6. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook. One single crochet each in the remaining stitches. Now make a slip stitch in the bottom stitch. This is the bottom stitch, and insert your hook in both the loops like this, and make a slip stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Two double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch in the same stitch. Next on, 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. and one slip stitch in the same stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 half double crochet and one slip stitch in the same stitch. 1 half double crochet, one slip stitch in the same stitch. This is how it will look. Once you reach then, make a slip stitch and weave off your yarn. Start with a magic circle. Chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster in the magic ring. Start off with a double crochet. Pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Now do this 2 more times. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and 1 more time. Four loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Now chain 2, 1 single crochet in the circle. That's the first petal made. Now repeat this 4 more times. Total you should have 5 petals. Start off with chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster, 1, 2 and 3. 4 loops on the hook. Pull through all the loops and chain 1. To finish the petal, chain 2 and 1 single crochet. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap. Pull it tight and weave off your yarn. Now using a yarn needle, sew the tail over here. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.